Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to remove all the garbage such as brackets and mismatched casing out of your song names using the Music Name Scrubber Pro tool. This tool is highly configurable. You set up the configuration once, and then once you hit save, you don't have to do it again. You can run this tool over and over again as you gain new music, and you don't have to change anything for the most part. Now that we are configured, we point to the directory we want to scrub, in my case, the Dirty Songs directory. I'm going to choose to do a preview mode first so that I don't actually change my song names if they're not set up properly. As you can see, all of the garbage in the song names has been removed. Now that we're happy with the preview result, we want to actually make the changes. Uncheck preview mode and hit start. As you can see, the actual song names were changed. Thank you.